Do you struggle with finding the confidence to wear your natural woolly hair? Are you already wearing your woolly hair but often feel self-conscious? Are you worried about what friends and family may say if you did the big chop? Do you feel your natural woolly hair isn't professional enough to wear at work or not cool enough to socialise in? In a world where your natural woolly hair is rarely represented in the beauty spaces such as billboards, magazines, movies and music videos, it's understandable that you might feel your spectacular woolly hair is socially unacceptable.
Introducing Before We Become Extinct, how do I get the confidence to wear my natural woolly hair?
With 7 steps to wool confidence and 10 tips for woolly hair wearing, this is the book for you. What are you waiting for? Embrace hair freedom. Before we become extinct, how do I get the confidence to wear my natural woolly hair?